Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl Johnson with Hey Girl TV, and this video is for the girl who has collected every single bottle fragrance scent from Bath and Body Works. Video is for the girl who wants more out of her fragrance. This is the girl who is ready to step over to the fragrance side, spend a little bit more money at this point, okay? It's for the girl who is not getting as many compliments as she wants when she sprays her fragrance. This is for the person that has no clue on how to pick a fragrance, and I have something special for you today. Out of my own collection, I have chosen 3 fragrances that I think will be fabulous to start with, okay? So if you're interested in hearing what those 3 are, please keep watching. Okay guys, so fragrance goes back as far as like the ancient Egyptian days. They use fragrance oils and things of that nature for their everyday use, for ceremonies, for rituals. I mean, it just for everything. And then at some point they were using fragrance to cover up like their natural personal like scent. Back in those days, everybody had a very strong scent, like their pheromones. And so, because it wasn't really like, it wasn't any like running water, and they wasn't taking baths every day. So when they used perfume, it was to kind of mask their odor. But now that we all have soap and water, y'all, we want to start with that first. We want to start with a clean slate. So when you decide on what fragrance you want, apply it to a freshly clean body so that you can get the most out of your scent, okay? So let me see, where do I start? I want to say, those of you who are just beginning, we're going to talk about some things. You're going to hear terminology like, you're going to hear me say, sillage. You're going to hear me say top note, middle note, bottom note. So those just a lot of different things that you'll be hearing at the toilette, at the perfume, at the perfume. You're going to hear all those types of things as we go on with this video. And basically what those things mean is just that like the Eau de Toilette is just a fragrance that doesn't have as much oils as like a Eau de Parfum, which has a little bit more oils. The Toilette is going to be basically a fragrance with just mainly focusing on the top note. The Eau de Parfum is gonna really, put you in that middle note area and dry down, and then the base note is gonna just bring it on home, okay? So you're gonna hear stuff like that, and I'll break it down as we go along. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so since you're new to all of this, if you don't know what you like and you haven't been to a perfume counter to smell anything, you don't know anything about fragrances, the first thing I do want to say is that you can go ahead and take a fragrance quiz. They have them, you can Google that, look that up. Scentbird is a good place to start. They have a quiz there, and they also have perfumes that you can buy at a very discounted price. You'll get like a little vial of perfume, and it is a subscription. It runs about like $16.95 per month, and that'll be a great way to start to get you. But that website is going to kind of help you choose. And then the old-fashioned way is just to get out there and put your nose on the bottles and smell for yourself. Then second, you want to know how to store your perfumes. You will store them in a cool, dry, dark area. And then you want to know how to apply them. You want to apply your perfumes on your pulse points. That's going to be here, 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 and in the back of your knee. Okay, so now that we got like all of that out of the way, we're going to focus on the 3 scents that I have chosen for beginners. Okay, so if you're ready, let's jump into it. Okay, so the first one, okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you from like morning to evening. So I picked one that would be great for work, church, just, you know, just any occasion. You can smell really good. Then I'm gonna take you into like going out, having fun, nice and flirty. And then I'm gonna recommend a fragrance for like date night, something like more serious, you know, things of that nature, like, you know, yeah, I'm gonna just take you to a perfume that's real, a going out perfume. That's what we'll call it, like a stepping out perfume. Okay, so the first one is going to be the Idol by Lancome. This fragrance is so beautiful. It's so feminine. I think this is a great starting point for a new beginner. I just think that it has a lot of things that I think that you would like. It has rose, it's musky, it's fruity, it's a white floral, it's sweet, powdery, floral, citrus, aquatic, and fresh. Those are the top notes. And then, well, that is like the description. And then the top, let me see. And then the top note is going to be pear, bergamot, and pink pepper. And then the middle note is going to be rose and jasmine. Jasmine smells beautiful. And then your base note is going to be white musk, vanilla, patchouli, and cedar. So this will make a good fall scent because it does have like a woodsy type of scent to it, a cedar background, but it's so beautiful and so just vibrant and fresh. It'll be great. Like I said, for the office, for church, you can pair with pretty much anything, especially if you like to wear like a lot of dresses. This is a very beautiful scent for being very feminine, okay? So the next scent, this is gonna be to have a little fun, to be fun and flirty. It is gonna be Delicious by DKNY. And this is a great scent because, you know, who doesn't like fruits and things of that nature? This is a very, 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 very long-lasting scent. It's playful, it's fruity. Let me read what it is. It's green, fruity, aquatic, ozonic, fresh, citrus, white floral, fresh, spicy, woodsy. The top note is going to be cucumber, grapefruit, and magnolia. The middle note is going to be green apple, lily of the valley, tuberose, violet, and rose. And the base note is also woody. It's going to have sandalwood and amber in it. So great for the fall. But this is a scent where you just want to like kick your shoes off, kick back, have fun, go out with the girls, shopping, just anything. It pairs nicely with any outfit and you get a lot of compliments. I get a lot of compliments from Delicious. So if you're looking for something that you want to turn heads, but you want to be laid back and comfortable, this fragrance is for you. So now if you want to like, girl, like take it up a few notches, I want to recommend the new Prada. The Prada Paradox is beautiful. Oh my gosh. This one is a white floral, it's citrus, amber, it's sweet, vanilla, fruity, musky, powdery, fresh. It's animalic, and let me see. Oh, and it just launched just recently, like within the last like couple of months. So the top notes are going to be pear, tangerine, and bergamot. Pear is really great in fragrances. Then the middle is going to be orange blossom, jasmine, and then neroli essence and neroli. And then you're going to have your bourbon vanilla, white musk, benzoin, and amber as your base. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna have to go and smell this. This right here says you have arrived. Okay? This is saying you don't have to tip me, let me tip you. Okay? Keep your money in your pocket, okay? This is beautiful. This is a scent. You can wear this with anything pretty much. I think this is an all occasion perfume. The bottle is cute. I just feel like this would be great for date night. This would be great for like a really special occasion, a wedding, going out with your beau, date night. This is fabulous. I think this is a really great start for a beginner that really wants to just kind of like just jump off the cliff, just no parachute, no nothing. Like I'm just gonna see what happens. No, you don't want to jump without a parachute, girl. You don't want to do that. But yeah, this is for someone who is daring, someone who is sophisticated, is just beautiful, someone who means business. This is for the boss lady. Okay, if you're a boss, this is the one for you. So these 3 perfumes are the 3 that I will recommend for beginners. So if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section, and I would love to know which one you have. If you have all 3, go ahead and subscribe, girl, because we're here. If you like one of them, you think you might agree with my description, go ahead and hit the like button, okay? And for those of you who are just watching the video and you're like, oh girls, I like this video, go ahead and just hit the bell, subscribe, and like, okay? With that being said, I'm gonna say thank you for watching. Peace and chicken grease. Bye.